This thing works so good, and I'm going to show you it. First, I just want to say it comes with this. So what you can do is clean part of your wall wherever you want to like place it again. Here is the push button to release the clamp. And I just want to show you this. So look right in there. I'm doing the button right now. You see that? So it's opening and closing. It's got a really good grip around the cleaning pads. Some of the other ones don't, and they fall off while you're trying to scrub and clean, which can be very messy. So this one, I just push it. So I open the top, the part that you hook it on. So it'd be like that. I push down to clamp it in. You'll hear a little click or clamp. I pull it out, and then I start going around. And you see I got some lime scale buildup on here. Look at how much solution comes out of it. So these are just packed with some cleaning solution, which is very, very helpful. And I'm just scrubbing away, and it's getting it all. And then you would peel off the sticker to this, put that on your wall, make sure it all off. Now this lime scale and everything has been sitting here for a while. So, and it's just coming right off. And you can kind of turn, get different angles in here, and it will literally, look at that, just wipe away. When you're all done, okay, when you're all done, I'm going to clean the bottom too, I suppose. I'll just do a little bit right now. When you're all done, I kind of go like this. Get all the dripping off. I keep a garbage nearby mine, and then I just plop it over in the garbage like that, and then I release, plop it in, and I'm done. And then I just put this back up here like that, and make sure the lid is shut. And then you get multiple refill ones, so these will last you a while. But if you look at how much cleaning solution you get, like that's what the blue is, it's a lot. I've seen, and I've lines up, and this actually goes right in here. So some people like to do pad other ones where it does not come out that blue, it's not that bright. The cleaning product that they put on it is not as much as comes out on here. That so it doesn't slide around or move around, and they have like a secure spot for it. So then you would just kind of place it like that, and it would stick and slide up to there, and then it won't move or wiggle around. I just like to keep mine freely, just like that, so I can move it if I want to. You can still unhook it if you do hook this on, because you would just lift it up to slide it out, because if you see it like that, it would just slide in, slide out. But I just want to keep mine like that. So to use this, get the stick,